So this is the new iPhone 16 and it has this new camera control button. Apple introduced this camera control button for the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro series. With this button, you can launch the camera app, click photos and record videos. But this camera control button does a lot more than that. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use camera control on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. And also, I will share some tips and tricks to bring the most out of it. When you press the camera control button once, this will open the camera app. Press the button again and this will click a photo. Press and hold the camera button and this will start recording the video. Release the button to stop recording. Light press the button once like this and now you can slide a finger left or right to zoom in and zoom out. Not only this, but you can double light press the button like this and this will let you configure controls. You will see different options like tone, styles, cameras, zoom, depth and exposure. Single press the button to set the control. You can also configure the camera control button to launch different apps. For example, if I press this button, then this will open Instagram camera. To configure it, follow these steps. Open the settings and then tap on camera. After this, tap on camera control. Now you will see different options like camera, code scanner, Instagram, magnifier, Snapchat and none. Select the app that you want to open with camera control. For example, let's select Instagram. Now when I press this button, then this will open Instagram camera. Also you can select how you want to launch the camera. By default, it is set to single click. Now let's select double click. Now the camera will not launch with single press. If I double press it, then this will launch camera. Also, you can adjust the pressure for the camera control button. For this, head over to settings. Now select accessibility. After this, scroll down and tap on camera control. Now you will see different options to adjust the pressure of the camera control button. You can adjust the pressure as per your preference. Scroll down and you will see the option to adjust the speed of double light press. So this is how you can use camera control on iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. If you find this information useful, then like this video and subscribe our channel. And for more such tech content and fixes, visit our website itechhacks.com.